My name is Lacey, and I'm your English teacher for today. Welcome to the Eigo Love YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about the too and too much grammar structures. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I want to start off by explaining the meaning of too and too much. They are both used to explain or express that there is more than enough of something, more than is sufficient. Okay? It'll make more sense with the sentence examples, so don't worry. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with too much. This is the form that we use when we want to use verbs. So the way it works is you have too much and then your verb. So it comes directly before the verb. Let's take a look at some examples. Don't work too much. Don't work too much. So it means don't work more than is necessary. Okay. Number 2. I ate too much yesterday. I ate too much yesterday. It means I ate more than I needed. That means I ate a lot of food, which I do sometimes. And our next example is, he sleeps too much. He sleeps too much. It means he sleeps more than he needs. He sleeps a lot of extra time. It's too much. Okay? So as you can see, we can use this with a variety of verbs. And it's quite easy to use once you get the hang of it. This is used often in daily conversation, so it's important to understand. Next, we're going to move on with to. To is the form that's used with adverbs or adjectives. So the structure is you have your subject, your be verb, so is or are, to, and then your adjective or adverb. So let's take a look at an example. I am too tired. I am too tired. This sentence means that I am really tired. Okay? The next one is, today was too windy. Today was too windy. It means that today was really windy. Okay? And our next example is, I was too late. I was too late. It means that I was super late. So a way that you can look at the examples with the adjective and the to form is that if you just switch it into your mind as I was really late, or you just change it to really, and that's basically what it means. Okay? All right, and our last example is, I am too lazy to clean. I am too lazy to clean. So at the end here, we did add a verb. And so this means that I am so lazy, I can't clean, or I won't clean. So we often do this with this form, is we add a verb at the end to express that I am so much of this that I can't or won't do this. Let's take a look at one more example. I am too hungry to focus. I am too hungry to focus. This is often the case with me, but it means that I am so hungry that I can't focus. Are you okay? Great job. So when you look at the structure, it's quite easy. So try incorporating this into your current English use, and you'll see that it will broaden your horizons and broaden what you can say. I use this a lot. I'll say I'm too hungry a lot, especially. So I hope you can use this too. Thank you so much for watching. You guys did a great job. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Eigo Love YouTube channel for more. Also, check out our new Twitter page. We just started it recently. We've got some daily quizzes on there, stuff about hobbies, so check it out. Anyway, until next time, goodbye.